Hi guys, today we're formulating a top secret luxurious whitening shower gel. Yes, this shower gel is a bomb. So stay tuned. Let's begin. So first of all, we are measuring our SCI powder. I love using SCI powder because it's high active free flowing powder. This powder is called sodium cocoyl acetonate. It's used in liquid soap, facial cleansers, body wash, and also shampoos. So this powder is a high foaming powder and is mild on the skin. It's so mild that it can, give you that silky feel when you're using body wash containing this powder. So this powder is little chunky, so do well to smash all the lumps and clumps in there to help dissolve the powder easily. So like I said, I love using this powder in place of SLS. If you have SLS, you can use SLS, but I'm using SCI powder. So here I am using water, distilled water, to dissolve this powder. The total amount of water I use is on the screen, so check it. So I use 500-gram powder to dissolve this powder. As you can see, I need to double boil this mixture, because I don't have time. So while we are double boiling our SCI powder, I will now measure my nitrosol. Nitrosol is also a foaming agent. It serves as a thickener in this formulation. It's also good and mild on the skin. So I measured 300 grams water to dissolve my nitrosol. As you can see, I'm fast forwarding this video. I don't want it to be long, so I am dissolving the nitrosol powder, doing it little by little to not make it chunky, to I don't want to have lumps. So here my SCI powder have dissolved in double boiling. I am now mixing the two phase together. So mixing nitrosol and SCI powder will give you that gel, gel-like consistency. You create your gel base. Yes, let me just put it like that. You create your gel base. So I want to use this opportunity and shout out to Max Gaming 300, Ray at Gallery 007, and MZ Azmir 4395. I don't know if I pronounce it well. I want to say thank you for your support. If you want to be in my next shout out, subscribe to my channel. So let's continue. So let's measure out our first active, which is our Sim White powder. I don't know if you know about this powder, but this powder is highly effective skin lightener and antioxidant. It is very good in treating hyperpigmentation and improve overall skin lightening. So here we are using our second active, which is licorice powder. Licorice powder is very good mild skin lightener. I love using licorice powder in my formulation because I feel like it boasts, the effectiveness of all the skin lightening powders involved. So here we are dissolving the powders to incorporate in our formulation. Guys, I told you this shower gel is luxurious and it's do the work. Like, it's do whatever it is promised to do. So we are dissolving our powders, like I said, and putting it inside. So here we are using our cocoa betaine. Cocoa betaine is a surfactant, also is an amphoteric surfactant. It's gotten from coconut oil, is also mild, and is used in body wash, baby wash, shampoos, liquid soaps, and the rest. And our next ingredient is honey. You know, honey is an excellent humectant. If you don't have honey, you can use glycerin, but guys, I love honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and it speed up skin healing. It's great for wound healing, anti-aging. It help in fading dark spots. It, blocks free radical to help maintain youthful, glowy, and good looking skin. So of course we are using honey in this formulation. Remember I said secret, secret in making whitening shower gel. This is the secret we are revealing. So honey is very, very good in formulating shower gel, and if you want your shower gel to be luxurious. So here I am measuring my fragrance. You can use fragrance of your choice. So at this stage we are leaving it to settle for all the bubbles to disappear. So here we have our clear gel. Yes, you have a clear gel. So don't forget, for product recommendation, for skincare training, for product purchase, you can contact us. There's link in our bio where you can chat us directly. So here you have your clear gel. You can leave it like this if this is how you want your shower gel, but I like colors, so I would be using color to add beauty to this beauty. So I will be using mica powder. You can use any watercolor of your choice, but I will be using mica powder because I want the luxurious shiny luster. I don't know if you understand, but mica powder give that shiny, luxurious end look. So I love that. That is why I use this powder. So here I am mixing it in a better bowl to mix all the mica powder for it to really incorporate in our shower gel. So do well to subscribe to this channel if you love seeing content like this. Here we have our finished look. Look at this luxury. Come on, guys. I'm giving you luxury in this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and let's continue diving into the world of skincare. So see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.